Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the Coventry Building Society. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.coventrybuildingsociety.co.uk and hit enter. After the home page of the Coventry Building Society opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, scroll down and find the forgotten username/web ID option on the left side of your screen. After you click on that option, it will give you another option to retrieve your username or password. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on that option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in all these credentials and then click on the next option. Once you click on the next option, and if you have filled in all these required credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password or username on the Coventry Building Society. I hope this video helps you to reset your username or password on the Coventry Building Society. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.